We are back in Chiang Mai, our favorite city of Thailand, and we've booked a stay at a 5-star luxury hotel, the Meliá, Chiang Mai. We've stayed at many hotels in Chiang Mai, from affordable to expensive, so let's see if a stay at the Meliá is actually worth it. The hotel was opened in 2022 and it consists of a 7-story building and a 22-story building with a total of 260 rooms. It's located right between the Ping River and the famous night bazaar area, and this same night bazaar is only a few minutes walk away. Upon entering the hotel, you step into an impressive lobby and we were welcomed by the friendly staff. Now, during check-in there was a little confusion as to which room type we booked, but it all worked itself out. Although we did end up switching to another room, but we'll explain why at the end of this video. Let's make our way up to the 6th floor for the room tour, the one that we actually stayed in.
Welcome in a small but exclusive elevator.
So, in the meantime, we've made it to the 6th floor to check out another room, and here we are at room 6115. Let's knock and see who's there. As always, we're greeted by the lovely Lawrence. Let's step into this really large room and make a turn to the right, where we are welcomed by this entryway. And as you can see here, it also doubles as a closet. You can hang your clothes here, put your luggage. There's also bathrobes, an ironing board. Right below, there's even more storage. And if you look at the top, also lots and lots of storage. Now, if we turn to the right, you see 2 little doors, but they actually open up into the bathroom. How nice! So this is the bathroom. It's got a really nice echo going on, by the way. And if we take a turn to the left, we can see the sink right here. There's also the hairdryer, more towels, and then they have the hand wash and body lotion right here, and 2 bottles of water waiting. And right here, if you want more amenities, you can request them in the app or by phone or in person. And then they also have this magnifying mirror, hello! And the amenities that they do have in the room are right here. So a shower cap, a razor kit, whatever you need, it is already there. Then right here we have a shower. It's not just a handheld shower, there's also a really tall rainfall shower, so excited to see how that works out. Everything is in this wood color. Don't know if that's water resistant, but let's see what's going on here. And it's Lawrence. What? There's a window looking into the room. How did that happen? Oh well, time to close this one up. Hi Lawrence. Bye. This takes a while, bye! And we are in a private shower now. It looks nice, but it's so inconvenient. I don't know why they keep building this. Anyway, this is the other side of the shower, and you'll have some bottles right here filled with shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. And then for the very last part of this bathroom, we've got the toilet. Looks very nice. It's got a little handheld washer, also known as the bum gun, and a nice piece of art on top of it. Now, going right back on the opposite side of the open style closet, I suppose, is the safe. It's a pretty large safe, would fit a laptop. And then there is the iron for the aforementioned ironing board, our shoes, and some in-room slippers. Now let's move on to the main event of the room. You can already see a really tall mirror there, and hey, it's Lawrence again. What's he doing? He's looking outside the window, hoping to find more likers and subscribers in Chiang Mai. Well, let's hope he finds them. And for now, we will continue on right here to the wall, where you find a TV, a snack station. These snacks are not complimentary, by the way. There's a water kettle. What was complimentary was this really nice note in Dutch and fruits. So they brought us a fruit platter. So nice. I believe this is, what is it? It's passion fruit, there's apples, there's grape. Very friendly. And then right next to it, we've got a Nespresso machine with 4 Nespresso capsules. Very nice. And then if we go inside here, nicely hidden, we've got the fridge that's completely stocked. Also, there's a charge for that, but you can find the prices in the app, I believe. Then we've got cups right here, also neatly hidden. What else do we have? Oh, more glasses. And right here, oh, there's nothing. And what's in here? More storage space. Well, that's all very nice. Let's close everything up. Then make a turn. You see a really large table and a chair. Also a lounger, but I suppose this could be converted into a 3rd bed. Then moving on, we've also got this really large like pool-like lounger that you can just use to relax, to chill. There's an extra side table for that with water and glasses. And then if we look up, we see the beds. And we've got 2 twin beds right over here. Let's see if they're comfy. Oh, they feel firm but soft. Like you've got your back support, but it's also really nice and fluffy. So looking forward to sleeping in that. And here on the bedside table, there is the remote control. There's a note block for the level, but we're not in the level room. So I don't know why they do that. And I'm not quite sure what this is. We'll figure that out. And right here, there is an alarm clock, a telephone, lots and lots of light buttons, and also power outlets and a USB outlet. So let's just take a look at the beds in the whole room. Now finally we're gonna move on to the window on this really large sofa. I suppose it would actually fit 2 people, or at least 2 children. And then right here you can see the view from the 6th floor, much nicer than the view from the 3rd floor. So let's take another look at this beautiful room with the really tall ceilings. And Lawrence is already off to dreamland. For a stay in a premium room like this one, expect to pay around 6,100 baht per night, including breakfast. Speaking of breakfast, the breakfast buffet is served each morning in the hotel's Lana kitchen on the ground floor. If breakfast is not included in your rate, it costs 824 baht per person extra. The restaurant is a beautifully decorated space with lots of seating and, more importantly, lots of food. Let's have a look.
breakfast at the Meliá.
Yes, I'm excited. It's got a lot of wide offerings from Western foods to Asian food, specifically Thai food, and I really love the mix and I cannot wait to dig in.
I've got a cow soy. I'm excited. It's the first buffet ever I've eaten cow soy. Oh, it's really good. A little bit spicy, tangy. Nice texture on the noodles. Oh yeah. It's still a good cow soy. That's why I love Chiang Mai. This soup, cow soy.
Un desayuno muy español.
Sí.
Tenemos churros.
Churros.
Y aquí es
Con
Laura.
dulce de leche. Y chocolate.
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 Now, after all this food, it's time to look at the facilities that the hotel offers. First up is this beautiful looking pool with comfortable sunbeds and loungers. During our stay, it wasn't busy at all, so we could enjoy the pool to the fullest. There's also a kids' play area, and of course, a grown-up area. It's the bar. On top of the pool bar, you'll find a well-equipped gym, and it even came with fresh towels, fruit, and me! Next to the pool, there's also an outside lounge area with these lounge chairs, and in the evening, you can enjoy a beautiful sunset from here. The hotel also offers an in-house spa, a small shop with local products, a lounge area with comfortable seats, and a bar. On the top floor of the hotel, you'll also find the Mai restaurant and bar, and from here you have a beautiful view of Chiang Mai. There's also a rooftop bar called the Mai Skybar, but sadly it was closed during our stay for renovation. Here's a little impression of what it looks like. Because the rooftop bar was unavailable, the hotel offered a 20% discount at the nearby InterContinental rooftop bar. So, for the purpose of this video, we had to try it out, of course, and it was absolutely gorgeous. Now, as promised, let's take a look at why we asked to switch rooms. The first room we were assigned was on the lowest floor right next to the elevator, and the elevator was unfortunately pretty noisy. The main issue for us with the room though was not that it was bad or anything, it's just that the ceiling height was actually too low for us. It felt way too cramped for our liking, and since we noticed that the hotel wasn't too busy, we decided to ask for a different room. So we went back to the reception, explained the situation, and we were moved to the room that you saw on the 6th floor. And for us, it made all the difference. Luckily, it was no problem at all, and everyone was super helpful and friendly. So, would we recommend staying here? Absolutely. It's not cheap, but the Meliá has a great location, amazing rooms, a lovely pool, and a delicious breakfast buffet. Sure, check-in and check-out could have gone a little smoother, but we weren't in a rush and the front desk helped us move rooms, and for that, we were very thankful. Also, side note, the backup rooftop bar at the InterContinental was amazing, and we might even stay there in the future. Let us know if you want to see that. But for now, we want to thank you so much for watching, and if you want to see more, then don't forget to subscribe to us at Yes and Explore. Bye!